Hey there guys, hope you're all keeping well out there. I'm Paul the Tech Giant and tonight I'm going to be doing a test with this 55-inch LG B1 OLED. Going to be checking to see what this TV is like when it comes to vertical banding, see if there's any patchiness and any dead pixels, and see what it is like compared to the LG A1 that I recently tested, which when it came to doing these same tests, turned out to be the best OLED that I've ever tested to date. Right, getting straight in then with the 5% grayscale test. And first impressions, not bad at all. Now I'm going to go out there and say it straight away though, not quite as good as the LG A1 that I recently tested, but I tell you what, that would take a lot of beating to be fair. It was very, very good. But yeah, this isn't doing too bad at all, but we do have a couple of little patches there. So it's slightly darker over that area. Little bit of a patch just up there and a little patch just there as well. And we do have some faint vertical banding as well, stretching across there and just down there. But overall, not too shabby at all. Certainly better than a lot of the other ones that I've tested in the past. So if this was my own TV, which it is not, by the way, this will be going back, you know, I'd be more than satisfied with that. So yeah, overall, pretty good. Just like the test on the LG A1 OLED, what I've done, I've gone ahead and run a colour sweep and just quickly checked out the panel for any uniformity issues or anything like that. And it all looked perfectly fine, should I say. But let's just go in nice and close on this nice bright white, just to check out for any dead or stuck pixels. But if it's anything like the other colours, I don't think there's anything to worry about, but it is pretty much a brand new TV, but it has been known for these to come out of the box with dead pixels. I've had a lot of people complain about them in the past, and I've also experienced dead pixels on an LG OLED personally in the past. But no, that all looks perfectly fine. So overall, this TV gets a big fat thumbs up from me. That concludes the testing then guys, and if you have enjoyed the video, please spare me a second to give me a big fat thumbs up, and if you didn't like the video then, well, sod off, and if you would like to see more videos then please subscribe to the channel. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.